In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in Adobe Acrobat. Cropping is perfect when you want to trim extra margins, remove headers or footers, or focus attention on a specific part of a page. I'll guide you through the process from opening your file to applying a clean, precise crop. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once it's open, look to the upper left corner and open the main application menu, then choose Open. This brings up your file browser. Navigate to the PDF you want to edit, select it, and click Open to load it into Acrobat. With your document open, you'll activate the crop tool. Use the search field in the interface, this is often at the top or in the Tools area, and type the word crop. You should see the Crop Pages tool appear. Select it. Your cursor will change to indicate you're ready to define the crop area. Now use your mouse to draw a rectangle around the portion of the page you want to keep. Click and drag to set the boundaries. Don't worry about being perfect on the first try, you can adjust it before applying. A tip here, zoom in if you need more precision around edges or content you want to preserve. If you make a selection you don't like, press Escape to cancel and draw again. Aim to leave a small margin around the content so nothing important gets cut off. After you release the mouse, a settings window will pop up. This dialog previews the crop and lets you refine the margins numerically if you want exact measurements. You can also confirm which pages the crop will apply to. By default, it affects the page you selected, but you can expand it to a range if that's appropriate for your document. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the crop. You'll see the page update immediately with the excess edges trimmed away, giving you a cleaner, more focused layout. If you need to repeat the process on other pages, reactivate the crop tool and draw new rectangles as needed. Before you finish, save your work. It's a good idea to use Save As and create a new copy so you keep the original intact. One final tip, cropping in Acrobat hides the trimmed content but doesn't permanently remove underlying data. If you need to eliminate sensitive information, use redaction tools instead. And if you ever need to undo a crop, you can reopen the crop settings and reset the page boxes. That's it. Your PDF is now neatly cropped in Adobe Acrobat.